On this season of Taryn Cleans It All, I wanted to put some vintage cleaning hacks to the test. I came across these cigarette cards from the 1910s and 1920s. They used to put them inside of cigarette packs to help them keep their shape. And for a while, this UK company was printing theirs with home remedies, like how to revive wilted flowers with hot water. So let's try it. To revive choice blooms that have faded during transit, plunge the stems into hot water and allow them to remain until the water has cooled. It just says it should be hot. Your hot tap water is probably about 120 degrees, maybe a little less. So that's what I've set this kettle to. So I'm just gonna fill this up with hot water. I imagine back in the day they were probably using a kettle too, but maybe not an electric one like this. I'm just filling up enough to cover the ends of the stems. I think that's good. These do look kind of sad. Curiously, this hack doesn't say to cut the stems before you put them in the hot water, so I'm just sticking in the hot water straight from the florist. Some of these are definitely more wilted than others. Still a little hot to the touch. These hydrangeas are still pretty wilty, but I think that these roses and these ranunculus have opened up a little bit, which is kind of nice to see. This might be a pretty good tip if you want a little more oomph in your flowers. The ends of the stems should then be cut off and the blossoms placed in cold water in the usual way. So let's cut the stems and get them into cool water. There is one more tip I want to try with these hydrangeas. I know that hydrangeas can absorb water through their petals too. So I'm going to dunk these upside down in some cool water and see what happens. I left the other hydrangea not soaked by the petals so we can compare them and see if this helped at all. I think this hack worked pretty well. These yellow and pink flowers are the ones we did the 100-year-old hot water hack, and they are looking a lot fresher to me. I don't know about you. And then what I'm really excited about was the hydrangea experiment. I think the 100-year-old hack looks way better, so I would call this one a complete success. If you have wilted flowers and you want to revive them, let them sit in hot water for a little while. But if you have any other flower reviving hacks that you want to share, leave them in the comments. I'll be so excited to hear.